Okay guys, so welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a detailed guide on how you can sell your Piggy, that is PGC airdrop that you have received on your Bitget, and sell it to what? USDT. And also I'm going to be showing you a way that you can now convert that your USDT through P2P what to Naira or to any currency of your choice. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, do ensure what you like, you comment and you subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section for this tutorial guide and let me know where you are watching from. So quickly, let's head straight into it. Now I am at my Bitget exchange. So once you have received your PGC, where you are going to check it, if you are not seeing it yet, just tap on your what asset. So now I'm at my asset. So once I tap on asset, I'm just going to just search what? PGC. So if I tap on asset, the simple put, what I'm just going to do is that I'm just going to quickly go here. I'm just going to go to spot. So once I go to spot, I will just use this search icon here and I will just tap on what? PGC. But if you have received PGC in your wallet, you are going to see it here. So you can see it displayed here already, right? So now what's for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can what? Sell this PGC to USDT, and also how you can now sell that USDT to any local currency of your choice and withdraw it to your local bank account. So first off, let me show you guys how you can what? Sell your PGC to what? USDT. Guys, please make sure what you subscribe right now as you're watching this video and drop me a thank you in the comment section. So this is what you are going to do. If you just look down below your screen, you are going to be seeing three icons. We have the home, we have the market, we have trade, we have futures, and we have assets. So what you are going to do is to just tap on trade. So once you tap on trade, once PGC is trending, it's going to pop up right here, you understand? But if you can't find it right here, you can see mine above my screen. What you can see here is what? Baby bong. But for you, if you can't see PGC, what you are going to do is just to tap here, you understand? Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are searching for what? PGC. So once you tap on it, you just tap because as at when I'm making this video, okay, you can see the count. Wow, that's right, you can see the countdown now already. As I'm making this video, it's already ranking 94k searches. You see it already. So once PGC start trending on spot, what you are going to do is to just tap it. So once you tap it, are you seeing it, guys? You are going to see PGC/USDT, then the price value, everything will be updated here instantly. Now what you are going to be doing now, we have basically like three options for sale. Now if you look my screen closely, guys, make sure you calm down and understand this video carefully. You will see market. So if I tap on market, now there are so many options here. We have market, limit order, and so many options vice versa. But if you're a newbie, I will encourage you to just use market. What market simply means is that you want to sell your PGC to USDT at the exact price that it is worth trading. You understand? No matter the price that it is being listed, let's say you want to sell it at that current price. So as it is trading here, you will see it. So the next thing for you to do is that you are going to go to sell. This is buy. You are going to go to sell. So if you go to sell, you'll be choosing what? The quantity of what you want to sell based on what you have in your what you have been allocated with. So if you just slash here, if you use this toggle button, it will enable you to choose, is it 25% of your PGC you want to sell, 50%, and all whatsoever you want to sell. Your available balance will be, look down, you will see your available balance will be here. Are you seeing this, guys? Then the slippage is already made available. So once you choose the amount you want to sell, either 25%, 50%, you just tap on sell. So once you tap on sell, immediately it's going to what? Appear in your what? Asset as USDT. That's it. Now for those that might want to do limit order, or if I just tap on limit order, what limit order simply means is that you are going to choose an exact price you want PGC to move to before you sell. For instance, let's say PGC is listed at 0.01 for example, and you are assuming that it will get to 0.02. That's when you want to sell. So what you are just going to do is that you just come here. You see where I tap on sell price? You're seeing it, guys. So what you are going to do is just put 0.02. So what this thing simply means is that, and let's say you now choose 0.02, that's when you want to sell it. and you want to sell everything or 50% whatsoever amount, then you tap sell PGC. What this thing means is that automatically once PGC gets to 0.02, the amount you want to sell will completely sell off. Are you guys clear, guys? So that's for limit order. Then market price, you are selling at the current market price. Then the next step we are going to go is this. Let's go back to trade again so you guys can see it. I don't want you guys to make any mistake. If you're on trade, look above. You will see copy, spot, margin, and convert. What you are going to do is to just tap on convert. So what you are doing is that you will be converting your PGC to USDT. So you see here they write from this to this. So what you are going to do is just, if you tap on this from, you will just choose what? PGC. So what you are going to do is that once PGC is already made available in your wallet, right, you will see it appear here automatically. So you are just going to just search PGC. So this is it, PGC. So once you search on PGC, once it is already listed on Bitget and start trading, as I tapped PGC, I am going to see it. Are you guys following? But for the sake of this video now, let me assume that it is let's use BNB for PGC so you understand what the converts mean. So let's assume this BNB is my PGC. I will tap on BNB and I will select. So I will select that I'm transferring from BNB to what? USDT. You understand? So this is it. Are you following, guys? So let's assume this BNB is what? PGC. Then this then I'll be converting from what? PGC to USDT. Then here what you have here is to what? Choose the amount you want to sell. Now you have to know, if you want, once you do this, your balance of PGC will appear here. Are you guys getting me? So once it appears here, you will now choose the amount you want to sell, and what its value in USDT, it will pop up here. Then the next thing for you to do is to just tap on preview, and it will then what? Convert for you to what? USDT. Are you guys following? So now remember again, I say you can either use convert or you just go to spot and sell off using what? Limit order or market price. Now the next thing for you guys is that once you are done selling your PGC, you'll be talking about you want to now convert that your USDT to what? Naira or to any local currency of your choice. If you want to do that, there's going to be a video that is going to pop up at the end of this screen. Now this is the video. You are just going to tap on it and you watch it. I made a tutorial guide video, so I don't want you to be in a hurry. Calm down, watch it so you know how to use the P2P function on Bitget exchange, and that will help you to sell your your USDT to Naira or to any local currency of your choice and withdraw directly to your bank account. So thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up so many more people can see it and learn. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel immediately, and make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box because I'll be posting a lot of airdrops that are payable. Go to my playlist. There are different airdrops there for you to start mining before it gets listed. There is a major one. Just tap on it. It's called SEC.io. Check on my playlist, guys. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. You can save this video so that you watch it and know how to sell yours successfully. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.